As we've come to the end of this insightful podcast, we hope you've been inspired to take action and be part of the positive change in waste management and sustainability.
Remember, managing your waste isn't just a seasonal affair. It's a year-round commitment to preserving this beautiful island we call home. From recycling and composting to reducing single-use plastics, each action, no matter how small, contributes to a cleaner and healthier environment.
We are incredibly grateful for our guest speakers who shared their knowledge and experiences with us, proving that when we unite towards a common goal, the possibilities are boundless.
But our journey doesn't end here. We'll be back with more engaging episodes, exploring new topics, welcoming inspiring guests, and introducing exciting segments to keep you entertained and informed.
Don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and share it with your friends and family. Together, we can spread the message of waste management and environmental consciousness, not just across the Caribbean, but around the globe.
Thank you for being a part of our Manage Your Waste for the Summer community. Your support and dedication make a difference, and we're excited to have you on board for the journey ahead.
Until next time, stay eco-conscious and remember, the power to manage your waste is in your hands.